How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a big Adam's apple tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I know a lot of people will say, well, you can't actually make it bigger. That's true. You can't actually change the physical size of it, but how your neck looks, how much fat is on your neck, can make your Adam's apple look really, really big or non-existent at all. Some people can't see their Adam's apple. I'm sitting at about probably 9 to 10% body fat right now. I'm pretty lean. I've been cutting weight for almost 4 months. If you look at my Adam's apple, you can see it. It is super prominent. That means big. Even like if I shaved right now, I'm gonna shave later tonight, but if I shaved, you would see it even more. And you can clearly see it right here. Even right there, you can see it. Now, obviously getting lean again, I'm pretty lean right now. Like I'm pretty low body fat percentage right now. You don't have to get to 9 or 10% body fat like me. You can even get to 14, 15, 16% body fat. That will still make it look much bigger. There are a couple of different exercises that you can do too. Basically, any exercise that you do for your Adam's apple, you want to make sure that you feel it in that area. So an exercise like this, twisting your head, is more for this area right here, the side or the jawline. It's not going to do much for your Adam's apple. So exercises, you should be able to feel it. One exercise that you feel it really good is this. The minute I look up, I feel a stretch right in here, and that should happen to everyone. The minute you do this, you should feel that stretch. This is the best exercise you can do for the Adam's apple. So all you're going to do is like this. Do this about 20 times. I'll do a little workout with you. So that's 15. Keep going. 20. Perfect. Quick little break. The next exercise that I like to do is just opening your mouth wide like this. The minute you do that, I feel a stretch in here, and you guys should too. So literally just open your mouth like this. Make sure you do it really big though. Perfect. Just like that. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.